Hello, fam. Welcome to a new week. And let's talk about what happened last week in the NGX, the Nigerian Stock Exchange family people. Let's talk all about it. So, few weeks ago, starting from late May, some people started panicking because stocks were selling off. Take a look at the charts. You'll see what has happened. We have been dropping since May, and the biggest dip was July 2nd. But from that time, we have had a massive pull up. Let's talk about this move. This happened last week, Friday, and this ran the last 1 week, even though on Friday we had a little dip, but that didn't matter because look at that big boost. Look at the inflow of money. I just wanted to know that last week alone, 9.3 trillion naira was pumped into the Nigerian stock market. Now, when people felt like market was selling off, what happened was basically stock rotation. Some people felt like, oh, I've made profit from this stock. I want to take my money and I want to move it to other stocks. Of course, I want you to know that this video is for educational purposes. So when you watch it, please do your own research because I want to talk about some of the things that really made sense for us. And the truth is that while many people were busy scrolling, reading headlines, one thing about headlines is that they give you a lot of panic, especially when you are not good at researching or you don't have a solid plan. Because when you have a good plan, headlines don't matter. Do you understand? So I just want you to understand that market gained 6.53% in just 1 week. Look at this powerful move. And we have pushed the year so far to 57%, making Nigeria one of the world's best performing stock markets in 2026. Come on, just 1 minute, let's clap. Woohoo! That was really amazing. Because see, the first half of the year has really reshaped Nigerians' investment landscape. Many people learned about stock markets, maybe you, and of course, inflation, monetary policies, decision, foreign exchange movements, fiscal reforms, global markets, dynamics, volatility in the markets, all of them have really created a dynamic environment. And if you're still by the side and you're thinking, I don't know how to do this, please learn how to invest. You can't make all the money by yourself. You really need to invest so you can buy a day in future so you can retire early. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia. On this channel, I show you how to make your money work for you by showing you some opportunities and of course the things you need to know about the stock market. So if you missed the Nigerian stock market move this week, we had one of the best pull-ups. So if you look here, this pump of money resulted in some stocks that did amazingly well. So I'm going to run us through some of the stocks that really did well. Let's look at RT Briscoe. RT Briscoe dropped to about 9 naira. Yes, about 9 naira. And then from 9 naira, this stock had a massive pull up to 13 naira 40 kobo. Look at this dip, 9 naira 20 kobo. This jump from 9 naira to 13 kobo was a whooping 47%, about 45 to 47%. So if you had enjoyed this dip, you would have, if you had put in 1 million, you would have made 470 or at least 450,000 naira. And it's not just that though. I want to tell you some other ones. Look at this. International breweries. This stock has always been around 15, 16, 17 naira, and they had this huge dip. Take a look at this, 9 naira 55 kobo and jumped to 13 naira 40 kobo, 13 naira 30 kobo. And you can see almost about 45 to 47%, depending on where you bought it. The beautiful thing is that you don't necessarily need to time the market. Most people did not know this was the bottom. Even me did not know. But the truth is that if you had caught it, even if you had bought it at 10, you would still had made at least over 25%. Not just that, let's take a look at MTN. MTN had a dip to 715, about 720, and some people jumped on that offer and it had this massive move to 810 naira, giving us about 6%. That's amazing, right? So whenever market is dropping, see it more as an opportunity. Stop panicking because you're seeing some red. Let's look at Dangote. Dangote also did very well. Dangote dipped to around 880 and jumped right back to 1,047 naira. And of course, one of my favorites that there are actually two, and I'm going to show you one of them now. First Bank. First Bank had hit a high of 82 and dipped all the way to 52 naira. And if you had caught it, I gave this call out for us at 55, and this jump alone is 25 to 35%, depending on exactly when you jumped into the offer. So whenever you see market dipping, look for good companies and jump on them. Look at Aradel. Aradel had touched 2000 and came as low as 1,262 naira and jumped to 1,600 at some point. I saw it at some point 1,625 naira, and that was a beautiful move to the upside. Now, do you know that there are some stocks that also did not do well? Because it's not every stock that will make money for you. Some stocks will also make you lose some money. So while we're busy celebrating the good stocks, those that did well, I just want you to know that stocks like Mark Nicholson, Geregu Power, Guinness, EcoBank fell during this week. You know, some of them have been holding on. Geregu was largely because Sotelam sold a huge amount of shares of the stock. So a lot of them, people started, it had a huge effect on the stock. And I want you to know that investing is not gambling. You have to understand the business, the fundamentals, so many things, so that when you are picking a stock, even if the stock is going against you, you need to understand, where do I need to load up more? And then where do I take profit? Because some people probably bought somewhere around here and we went up, we came down again. So you need to understand that for you to be successful in the stock market, it is all about strategy. And that's one of the things I do for my private community members, people who pay for one-on-one counseling, because I have to understand your portfolio. We have to look at your financial goals and how to get to our goal, because it's very important. If you understand it, investing will be super sweet. And of course, there are some stocks that sleep well at night. There are stocks that can pay you in other ways apart from capital gains. You have to understand every strategy differs. So I want you to know that you don't have to wait for any perfect timing, because every time in the market, opportunities are there. They may not be in the stock you're looking at, but they'll be in other stocks. So while we're looking at all these ones, there are other stocks that also still have good opportunity to the upside. I shared some of those information to my VIP community members. If you're not in that community, you are missing. But if you if you want to join us, please click the first link in the description of this video, and we would love to have you in that community. Now let's look at this coming week. Do we still have some opportunities in the market? Of course. Even the MTN. Do you know that MTN is still heading to 1,000? Do you know that Aradel is still heading back to 2,000? So 500 naira jump from where we are now. If you have it at 1,005 and it goes to 2,000, you've made 25%. I just want you to know that there's still opportunity. So before you cry that I've mentioned, oh, things happened in the last 1 week, market can still pull back. Who told you that we are done with the pullback? No one knows. You don't have control over it. Look at NGX. From 174, it came down to 114 and had this massive move to the upside to 138. And this was a very beautiful move, but there's still a lot of opportunity here. From here to here will give you a lot of money. I'm just saying this so you understand the enormous opportunities that lie in the stock market. So as we are getting into the new week, the first thing I want you to know is that if you don't have proper information, please go get yourself into a community so you would have some good information. Two, stop panicking whenever stock drop. When stocks are dropping, look for very good stocks, because at the end of the day, there are stocks that when it's time to go all the way back up, they are fast. There are stocks that are very slow in going all the way to the top. And of course, there are catalysts that move some of these stocks for them to move to the top. You have to understand all these dynamics that would help you to make a good investor slash a trader. Of course, smart money has been moving. rotating from one sector to another sector. The question is, are you rotating your money? Are you taking profit? Are you doing the needful? Because all these things will make or mar your success in investing. I hope you learned one or two things today. I hope some of the stocks I mentioned, you are going to look into those opportunities. And of course, make some money with the information. I've given you very good stock picks, and I think they will do really well. And understand that even if where we are now, the market even goes lower, assuming the market opens next week and we go all the way back again, I want you to know it is also normal. You cannot control the volatility in the market, but you can use the volatility to your own advantage. And how you use it to your own advantage, you may not have all the information. That's where the community also comes in. You can also join us because some of these updates I drop those information. And of course, we do beyond Nigerian stocks, we do US stocks, we do mutual fund, we do all kinds of very solid investment that would help you to retire early. You want to retire in the next 10 years, the next 15 years, the next 20 years. There are different plans that you just have to jump on and stay committed. And of course, I hope you learned a lot from today's video. I will see you in the next video. Let's look at what next we'll be looking. Where is money going to? Let's think of where money is going to. Of course, you know I showed you some of